What is up, guys? North Digital Assets coming at you with another video. In this video, we're going to revisit this real quick, cover that, see what's going on with the market here, and I'm going to clear up a couple things about this entire pattern that I was laying out in my last video. So basically, what I believe we are doing right now is we are in wave 2, the smaller wave 2. And I pointed that out in that picture the other day. You have 5 smaller waves within each wave. And like I've shown before, something like this here, you can see. So you have impulsive wave 1, corrective wave 2, impulsive wave 3, corrective wave 4, and then impulsive wave 5, which takes you to the top of that. And that is what I believe is going on right now as far as we are in corrective wave 2. And I'll show you that here and why it makes the most sense that we are in corrective wave 2 and we are not in corrective wave 4. So basically, I believe that here is 1. We're correcting on 2. 3 is going to take us up somewhere into here somewhere. 4 will come back down, and 5 will top us off. 3 could be, 3 could definitely be in, the 130, 140 range, 135, somewhere like Plan B said for December, 135. It could be for wave 3, because wave 3 is going to be larger than wave 1. Now, why do I believe that this right now we are in wave 2? There are some people, if I zoom in here, that I've seen this kind of floating around, especially if I go to the daily. Let's go to the daily. I've seen some people floating this around, and I believe it is incorrect. So if we come here and we just look at this here, this bottoming out here is in July. Why I believe we are not, this is what we are not doing. This is not 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we have one last 5 and we're done, and it's around 100,000 and we're done. I do not believe that's what's going on at all. First of all, 3 is the most impulsive largest wave. And if you can see, 3 is always bigger than 1. So as you can see here, 3 and 1 are they look really close to the same size, number 1. So basically, I am calling, this is on the daily, but I am calling this entire pattern 1. Because of that, we are correcting down on 2, we're going to 3, and then 4, 5, so on. So I was talking about this on Credible Crypto's Twitter earlier. I did misunderstand what he was saying, but let's see here. So this here basically is what I just explained, and this is my screenshot. So basically, if you were to call this 1, 2, 3, 4, and that we were correcting down on 4, why that makes no sense is that this wave 3, if that was wave 3, that's 74%, yet this first wave was 85%. So that just doesn't make sense. I'm calling this whole thing wave 1, and we are correcting on wave 2 now, especially because of this here. Wave 3 is the most impulsive, biggest wave, and will be much larger than wave 1, which it's not 85%. Wave 1 is this entire wave, whatever that percentage is. So I also misunderstood him. I thought that he was actually endorsing this here. This is from his YouTube video here. This is from Credible Crypto's latest YouTube video, and it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But he was actually putting this out here to disagree with this, he also does not believe that's what's going on. This whole wave is 1. We're correcting on 2 to go to 3, 4, 5. Now, let's see here. I ended up saying at the end of the day, I said my apologies. I believe we agree then. I'm sure you understand my argument. I believe we are in small wave 2 now, then wave 3 up, small wave 4 down. People will say it's over, and then wave 5, and then it really is the top for Bitcoin, and then altcoin season will be from the top for that next following 30 days or so, that next month. Historically, that's what it's been anyways. So just kind of clearing some stuff up and actually finding more confidence in my entire thesis from my previous video, to be honest. He ended up liking this comment here. He ended up liking the comment, so I believe that we are in agreement then at the end of the day anyways. And I come out here, let's take a look. So basically, let me show you another thing that's super interesting. Basically, what I am saying, just to sum up everything I just said, I believe we are in small, we finished the small wave 1. We're coming back for the wave 2 correction, which could be 53K. We'll see. We're going to go up on a massive 3 wave, up impulsively. Then we are going to come down for wave 4, and that is when people are going to be saying it's over, the top is in, Bitcoin topped out, here comes the bears, pack your bags, go home, and that's when we'll get the 5th wave, and the 5th wave will take us up to the 2272, or roughly in that area. Historically, anyways, that's all the data that we are showing, and I showed that in my previous video because of the bull run top. In the last couple bull runs, we've gone past the 2272. We've gone up or around the 2272, and you can see that here in wave 5. And you're always going to get those 5 smaller waves within that larger wave. So if we just completed 1, we're coming back for 2, we'll go up for 3. 4, people will say it's over, the bears are coming, and then we will get that 5th wave to the 2272, or roughly in that area, which is $200,000 per Bitcoin, which I believe will happen before July. That is the summary, basically. Now, let's talk something more current here, that why I think we might be going to 53,000. Anyways, if you like the video so far, please click subscribe down here in the bottom right-hand corner. I'm looking to hit 3,000 subscribers. Please click the subscribe button down here, or click subscribe below like normal. Smash the like button. We're contrarians on this channel. At the end of the day, I'm trying to, I'm just a contrarian to the core, just in general, who I am, meaning I think differently than the general population typically, and I believe that that's, a lot of the time, that's actually where the truth lies. So anyways, yeah, click subscribe, smash the like button. Now, why do I think we might be going to 53,000? I will show you that now. We need to just go back to the weekly. This is interesting. I just found this. So, okay, so let's zoom out here. So 2017 bull run. Let's zoom in here on a closer look here. So overall, when you're not talking the smaller waves, when I erase this smaller wave here, we have completed the 4th corrective wave down, and we're coming back up to the 1618. So I'm going to go to the same area as this, but in the 2017 bull run to compare, and this is interesting. So, what happened in that same area? We topped out at 3, we come down to the 4th wave, and we come back up to the 1618. But what did we need to come back up to the 1618? Well, here it is right here. Let me zoom in even closer. What did we need to go back up and over the 1618 and really explode higher? We needed a tap off of the 20 EMA, the green line, the 20 EMA. We had this wick down, and this is a weekly wick, so this is what happened all week on this one wick. At some point in that week, we wicked down, which I could look that up on the daily, but at some point in that week, we wicked down, we tapped off the 20, we found some strength, and then we went on after we cleared the 1618 again, okay? So this is where it gets interesting. Let's go over here to present day. And I can just reset the chart. Reset the chart and remove this massive circle here. Okay, so where are we at now? So we are waiting, possibly here, if I zoom in, we've tapped the 1618 here, we've come up. Are we looking for it again? Because of the resistance, are we looking for it again? And why I'm saying this is where it gets interesting is because, look, right on the money. If I set that there, the 20 EMA, the green line, is perfectly at, 53,000 right there. And that is what this says here, 53,000. That is where the 20 EMA is. So I believe that's where, a lot of the 53,000 floating around Twitter and other YouTube channels and whatever, they have 53,000 because maybe it does need to bounce it again. You've seen it. You saw it go below here and use this. You came up. You did find support here on the candle bodies, on the weekly, on the 20 EMAs. You've come up again, but you found some resistance, and that's what these 2 red weekly candles are. Now, we've been red for the last 2 weeks in Bitcoin. Are we looking to tap the 20 EMA one more time and get above the 1618 and go? That is the $1 million question. That's what we're waiting on. And at the end of the day, guys, patience, 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 patience. That's what's going to pay right now. Patience is going to pay. That's where I believe we're at. I laid out my entire thesis on my last video. I said in the video I would be shocked if some of it didn't come true to an extent. I'm not going to always be right. I'm not going to always be wrong. That's fine. But I laid out my thesis in the last video for like 18 minutes, and I believe that it will play out to an extent. Now, one more thing here, and we'll wrap this video up. So what I do believe, if we are doing wave 1, we're correcting back on wave 2. I believe wave 3 could definitely take us up. It's possible that it takes us up into that 135 range. I don't know when that's going to be. I don't know that that'll be. I don't think that that's going to be December. I don't know when that's going to be, but roughly this third wave up is the most impulsive, largest wave, meaning it is larger than wave 1 up and it's larger than wave 5 up. So wave 3 is the largest wave. So we find support on the 20 EMA, we come above the 1618, and that's when we get that massive wave 3 up, which will be nice. You'll get that wave 4 down at some point in time, that correction. Don't know how large it'll be, and then you'll get the 5th wave up. Now, the 4th wave could be minor. It could be larger, and that's when people are saying the top is in, it's over, da-da-da-da-da-da, whatever, and then we'll get that 5th wave up, and that, to me, will be the absolute top. And if you have Bitcoin at that point in time, when we get that X on the chart, I will be yelling from the rooftops, take profits, sell some Bitcoin, take profits, sell it all. Unless you're a long-term holder, get out, get out, get out. And then that following month will be altcoin season. About a month later, depending on the rotational effect of when coins pop, when they do, when they don't, that's when I will be screaming from different rooftops saying, take profits on those coins, 80% profit taking, 60% profit taking, take profits on these coins, because then you're going to get that massive A, B, C, all the way down. That's going to take about a year, but you are coming back down, in my opinion. And maybe it's not as drastic as past ABCs. Maybe it's something more like A, B, C, and it's a lot more shallow. At any rate, you're going to get it out of the L8 wave theory. You're going to get it. I believe you're going to get that ABC. It's not going to be a flat ABC like this. I believe it's going to be a zigzag ABC. You're going to go down. There's going to be fear in the market like always. We're not far enough along in the cryptocurrency, even though we've made massive strides over the last years as far as adoption, sentiment, everything. But I believe we will be coming back down for sure. And you want to take profits anyways. And then you'll have cash on the side for when we come back down, we bottom out, major corrections, you can get back into those positions. But taking profits is going to be very important at the end of the bull run. I fully believe that. Anyways, that is going to be it on this video, guys. Just patience right now. I mean, there's nothing else I can really lay it out. That's what we got going on. Maybe we got to tap the 20 EMA one more time and then go. But just patience. And I believe altcoins will move with Bitcoin through this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Altcoins will loosely follow it. Bitcoin tops over the next month. Altcoins explode, and that's alt season, and then the bull run is over. So that is my thoughts and my take, and that's about it. So please click subscribe below, smash the like button, leave a comment, let me know what you think, if there's anything I might be missing here. I don't know, let me know. And that's going to be it for this video, and we will catch you in the next one. See ya.